Today we're going to talk about Worldcoin, backed by Sam Altman. And Sam Altman is essentially the owner of OpenAI, which is the biggest, most valuable AI company on the planet. It's worth hundreds of billions of dollars because they control ChatGPT. Well, first off, here's Sam Altman on Worldcoin. If we succeed in our mission, World might become the largest network of real people online. So Facebook's a massive network, Instagram's a massive network, YouTube's a massive network. He's saying World will become the largest network of real people online, fundamentally changing how we interact and transact throughout the internet. That is their goal. And then Nvidia invested in OpenAI. So this is a powerhouse ecosystem, the biggest ecosystem in AI. So Worldcoin is very exciting. Well, Dan Ives is on CNBC all the time. Wall Street billionaires have CNBC playing all the time. They watch it nonstop. So he's on CNBC, he's on Bloomberg, he's on the traditional finance channels all the time. And because of that, he's built up a brand. He's been investing in technology for a long time. And he's built up a brand enough to the point where he launched an ETF. Look at the net assets of this ETF. Over $750 million. That's how big his brand is. And that ETF is the Wedbush AI Revolution ETF. So they're investing in artificial intelligence. Dan Ives was early to Tesla, he was early to Palantir, and he was early to Nvidia. Right? So he's been covering tech for a long time, and he's done really well. Now he's built this ETF that invests in AI, and now he's chairman of this company, ACO, that buys Worldcoin. Massive for Worldcoin. And he's going to be out there marketing Worldcoin essentially. Tom Lee of BitMine is investing in Worldcoin. And Tom Lee is another guy that's all over traditional finance. Again, on Bloomberg and CNBC, you have billionaires, you have Wall Street watching it nonstop, right? So they get the biggest guests. Tom Lee, Dan Ives are on there all the time. Now they're starting to market Worldcoin. ACO Holdings announced a $250 million private placement with additional $20 million strategic investment from BitMine to initiate world's first Worldcoin treasury strategy. These are the other investors. The transaction was led by Mosaics with a strategic investment from BitMine Immersion and participation from World Foundation. Again, Sam Altman's World Foundation. Discovery Capital Management, Gamma, Falcon X, Kraken, Pantera, multi-billion-dollar massive early investor in crypto that's backed by Dan Moorhead, GSR, Coin Fund, Occam Crest, Biometrics, Brevin Howard, and more. So big players are investing in this company that's buying Worldcoin. People are sleeping on Worldcoin, obviously. It's like one of the purest ways of getting exposure to the biggest tech companies on the planet.